Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you an overview of all the trades that I've taken on the FBS copy trading app, like each and every trade which I was profitable or I've lost in some trades, all of them. Currently I don't have any balance in FBS copy trading app, like it's $0.35 only, and I can't withdraw it because the minimum withdrawal balance is $10. If you guys have any problem with withdrawing money, just let me know. There are some problems with FBS copy trading app during the withdrawal, and I will help you out with that. Okay, just comment down below. So let's go over my trades. I'm gonna go over in investment history and I'm gonna go down there. So this was refunded. I'm not gonna count 0.11 and 0.44. As you can see, refund of 0.55. I get the refund, so that doesn't count as a loss. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this. I have a profit of $2.68. I invested 9.56. Next, $0.0 in loss. If we go to slow profit again, $0.86 profit. Again, slow profit, $0.23 profit, and $0.60 profits from Withou. And with red, I got $0.61 in profit, and just invested $2 in it. In monkey business, I got $0.01 in profit. I don't know how to say the name, Tengpai. Sorry, and I got the profit of about $0.09. Victory, I got $0.18 in profit. Robot, I got the profit of $0.05. And with Devlo, I got the loss of -$2. Then I got the monkey business, I got profit of loss of -$32. Then I got profit Victor from $0.43. With Withou, I got a profit of $0.77. With slow profit, I get again a profit of $0.39. With Thank You by $0.12. And into copy trading, I got $0.11 in profit. Okay, and we're gonna go with Withou now, which gave me a profit of $0.32. Then I lost -$1.01 with Withou. Again, the profit of $0.20 from Victory. And then with $0.05 profit with red. Indo copy trading $0.09. Okay, so robot doesn't give me any profit this time. Indo copy trading again, profit of $0.25, and with robot $0.01. Slow profit give me a loss of -$1. Withou give me a loss of -$1, and this Tongi guy gave me a profit of $0.16. Victory gave me a $0.10 profit, and then Victory gave me a loss of $0.21. But Tongi by $0.02 in profit. Red with 0.01, Pink Jelly with 0.01, Mimis with 0.03, and slow profit again with a profit of $0.27. Slow profit again with a profit of $0.34, and slow profit again with a profit of $0.24, $0.86, -$0.04, plus $1.64, -$0.36, and plus $6.14. Then I got a profit of $1.28. I lost $2, -57 cents, and then plus 0.93. Then plus 10, plus 0.27, plus 0.63. I got plus 0.59 from Indo copy trader. Slay profit again with a profit of $0.28. New life effects $0.90. Miss Lee. Okay, so after that, this Miss Lee, I just tried. It was a high risk trade. I did try it. I know it was a high risk trade, so maybe I won't count in -$2.96, because this was my choice. I know I'm going to lose money in it. There's a pretty good chance of it, but I still tried it, and yeah, I lost money. Then I got profit 0.41, 0.34 from slow profit, 0.10, 0.01, 0.31, 0.04, and